This sun is shining, my man. We're just gonna go ahead and continue putting some fairing compound on the toe rails. Might as well just do it on the side as well. Just so when we sand it, this actually gives you a nice surface to see if you're leveled and shaped right with the fairing, the all fairing compound. It like that turns it to a different shade of pink. All right, so I'm just gonna get it wiped down with some alcohol. I would be using acetone, but I don't have any right now. But alcohol will work just fine. All right, they're calling for some light rain, so we're gonna get this moved underneath the tent over there. Let's see, it's coming out. All right, so this is a part that I've kind of been holding off for a while. The anchor box. I got to get in there and pull the bow hook out. There's a little piece of wood core, probably like that big, that I got to get out and replace with some coosa, glass it in, glue it in, glass it in, and I'll drill the holes later for the bow hook, and then finish fairing and glassing everything else in here so it's nice and neat and ready for paint. All right, so it's a 9/16. Gonna zip those two nuts off and it should fall off, and then take the wood coring out and replace the wood coring with some coosa. We'll use this as a mock-up. flooring glued in using a 4-to-1 mix of epoxy and silica. So we're gonna let that cure for about 45 minutes until it gets hard. Then take the grinding wheel and get it all grinded down clean, and then start laying our 1708 in epoxy to build some structure behind it, and finish fairing out the anchor box and call it a day. Alright, so we got the core glued and glassed in. This thing is gonna be rock solid when it's done. Got the sides all sanded and grinded down so it's leveled. Same with the floor pretty much. So now I'm gonna go one more time with some 1708 and epoxy and run some fiberglass from this edge here to this edge here. Oh shit. I don't want to stay in there too long. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna wrap up the video here and then I'll start another one next time because the anchor box is pretty much done. Just gotta sand it down and maybe apply one more layer of fairing compound. I'm just gonna do that off camera. So that being said, hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and until next time, peace.